Morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. The day today is Monday 21st December 2020. Subject English Grammar. Topic Past Perfect. So what is the definition? What tells us? It tells us about a work which is done in the past. Obviously when we are talking about past perfect tense, it means it tells us or show us the time in which work has been done and completed. So it has been done in the past. That's why it is called past perfect tense. So Urdu में पहचान. How we will know about that these are past perfect tense in Urdu. इसके जुमलों के आखिर में चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, दिया था, लिया था, किया था आता है. ठीक है. इसका जो भी सेंटेंस होगा उनके आखिर में इस तरह के वर्ड्स आएंगे जो मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मैं तुम्हारा ख़त दे चुका था. उसके आने से पहले मैं चला गया था. बारिश थम चुकी थी. तो ये क्या है? इसकी उर्दू में पहचान है. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. हाउ टू फॉर्म पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. So how we will make past perfect tense affirmative. Okay, simple sentences. Subject, if you remember in present perfect tense what we were using, and now we are there is only difference between present and past helping verbs. Only we will change the helping verb. Okay, so what helping verb will be used here? In past tense we will only use one helping verb, which is had, plus third form of verb plus object. Okay, these are examples. उर्दू में हम कैसे पता चलेगा हमें? वो स्कूल जा चुका था. जा चुका था. अब आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे क्या राइट हुआ हुआ है? जा चुका था. एंड इन इंग्लिश वी हैव सब्जेक्ट ओवर हियर विच इज़ ही, हैड, helping verb gone, third form to school. He had gone to school. वो स्कूल जा चुका था. He had gone to school. मैंने उसे माफ़ कर दिया था. I had forgiven him. I had forgiven him. क्या सॉरी वो लैम्प जला चुका था. He had lighted the lamp. Okay, he had lighted the lamp. Now move to the next one. Past perfect negative. Subject plus had plus not plus third form of verb plus object. Obviously you know that to make negative we add not. Okay, so here are few examples. वो स्कूल नहीं जा चुका था. जा चुका था, चुका था is showing that it is past perfect, and from here you can see that had and third form of verb, it means it is past perfect tense. So to make negative we have added not over here. He had not gone to school. Second is मैंने उसे माफ़ नहीं किया था. I had not forgiven him. उसने लैंप नहीं जलाया था. He had not lighted the lamp. Now we will move to interrogative. So here are past perfect question or interrogative. How we will make? First of all we will write helping verb. To make question, what we will write? Helping verb. Okay, here are few examples. First what we will write? We will write the helping verb. But in question sentences or interrogative sentences or सवालिया फ़िक्रे, what we will see, क्या वो स्कूल जा चुका था? In the end you can see चुका था. Had he gone to school? Had helping verb, he is subject, gone third form of verb, and school is object. क्या डॉक्टर वापस जा चुका था? Had the doctor returned? क्या वो लैम्प जला चुका था? Had he lighted the lamp? Now what we will understand or we will summarize our today's tense, that first of all only one helping verb will be used, which is had. Okay, and we will use third form of verb to make past perfect tense, had and third form of the verb. Subject and object are compulsory for each and every sentence or tense. Okay, in Urdu how we will identify that these are past perfect tense. फिक्रों के आखिर में क्या आएगा? चुका था, चुका था, चुकी थी, लिया था, दिया था, किया था. These are a few marks to identify that these are past perfect tense. Okay, so beta, this was our lecture for today. Hopefully you can understand it very well or easily. If you have any kind of problem you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.